working on the matrix. Gonna do front and rear brakes. Got the rotors and brake pads. Also have a new master switch little trim piece. This is broken, and got a couple key fobs. Hopefully we could program those. Alright, so we popped this master switch off, and we could see right here this was broken. So for sure this piece is broken. Luckily the actual switch looks good. About a cheap little Amazon replacement right here, so it should be good. All right, just replace this piece. You can see where it was broken. Just don't over tighten it and you're good. It goes in bottom first, and then it clips in on the top. Nice. All right, finally removed the rotor. It was all rusted in. That's all the rust and crud that came out of the rotor. Just used 14 for these bolts, 17 for these bolts. Take it out, leave it with some slack, make sure it doesn't hang. Use the wire brush to clean up all the rust from in here. Have a nice little new surface for the new rotors. Okay, got the new rotor in. Brake pads ready to go. Got some Toyota brake caliper grease. Gonna apply some on the edges, on the contact points. Take the slide pins out, clean them up, and put some of this Toyota rubber grease. Put these back in and ready to install. Okay, just finished doing the front brakes. Look pretty good. If you want to torque these down, the 17s usually take about 80 foot-pounds. 14s take about 25 foot-pounds. Look good. Now I gotta do something about these wheels and the rear brakes also. Alright, so this is my matrix. I'm going to be scavenging the wheels from. I just put brand new tires on this before the head gasket blew, so I'm not gonna need them for a while. And I think they'll look good in the dark blue matrix. All right, the front of the vehicle is done. Replaced the rotors, brake pads, and used the wheels from my matrix. I didn't know these are actually 17s and these are 16s, but they do look a lot better. Okay, I'm about done on one side of the rear brakes here. That was the brake rotor. These were the brake pads. Okay, so this is kind of tricky to put these hardware pieces back on. I reused this piece that holds both of the pins together because the other one had some of these. Didn't want to use that, so this looks good. Now to install these, there's two different ones. Each side takes a different piece. They're mirrored. This end piece goes under the pin. This little hook hooks over this, and this little L piece goes into the middle hole right here. So I think it would work better if you hook it first under here, let it rest right there, and then just hook it in. Okay, it needed both hands to hook this up and the bottom, but I just used a little screwdriver and that's good. Just hooked it on like that. And I believe that should be good. On the based on the other side, this little hold down piece was on the inside of this this bigger piece right here. And then just take the other side that mirrors that piece, which might be this one actually. Hook it up like this, like that, and use your screwdriver to press it down like that. And that should be good. At least this is how it is on the other side. What it's for, I have no idea. Okay, so it appears to be correct. If you see right here, this is the long piece holding both of the pins together, and these two side ones just hold the pad in. You can see they take 34 foot-pounds. Okay, got a couple of key fobs. I'm gonna see if I could program them. Driver's door open and unlocked. All other doors closed. Key out of cylinder. Insert it twice. Close driver's door twice. Leave it open. Insert it once. Close driver's door twice. Open, insert key, close driver's door, on, key off, and then remove. Okay, it should be in learn mode. Hold both lock and unlock on the key fob. And nothing's happening. Oh, I just did it real quick and the door's locked and unlocked. Okay, so it did end up working. Got the key fobs right here. Hit the lock, unlock. Nice. Try the other key. Nice. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.